I heated up, it was peanut oil, uh, to fry some food for my family's lunch. And I went back into the bedroom and was ironing, and then the smoke detector went off. I went back out and the pot was on fire. The flame started going up the side of the refrigerator. My daughter and I tried to get the pot out of the house because the cabinet in the refrigerator was catching fire. She held the pot and I got the door. But when the air hit the fire, it caused it to create a ball of fire. And so I was hit down my entire left side and wrapped around as well, and burned some of my right side as well. It wasn't painful because it was the fire was so hot, but my skin peeled back, and so I was looking into my arm and looking into my foot. I had, I think, 7 or 8 surgeries, and they had to graft some skin. They were running out of skin on the rest of my body to cover the burns. Overall, they were phenomenal. Even the clergy. So everyone was wonderful.
We are the only adult burn unit in Kentucky, a dedicated unit with all of the therapists and all of the physicians that can provide a multidisciplinary approach to caring for the burn wound. We're it.
Even though it's difficult to talk about it, I want everyone here to know that they save lives. You know, life will never be what it was before, but as long as you're here, then celebrate the life that you do have.